Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I get my twist out looking all fly and cute. This is the first day of my twist out and I just arranged it to look this way. So watch, and I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it, and please share with your friends and your family and the people you love, even the people you hate. Just share. So the first thing I do, as with any of my other natural hairstyles, is comb my hair, and I comb it thoroughly. And then I take any moisturizer and I just put in some oil, and then I rub that all over my hair. And once I'm done with that, I put in some gel to lock in the moisture and to make the style set in place. Anyway, so this is how I do my twists. After moisturizing the hair and everything, I just twist the two strands in opposite directions, and then I wrap them around each other while I keep twisting. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to twist hair, then let me know. If not, this is just what I will do.
You've been talking plenty, but you have nothing to say. Issues for discussion, not up for debate. It was my mistake when I looked the other way. Pepping my step when I'm walking down the block, like my beat, like my music, saucy and hot. Someone told me that I was born to shine, even if bad barely working for PhDN. Nothing them go do, feed dull me down. Action figure, I'm a Superman. See them outside, sweet words drop. You leave, they flip, their promises flop. Hurt promises are meant to be broken. If you can't keep them like token, hurt head sometimes gets swollen. So carry it.
Whoa, Jehovah, because of Benjamin, I've twisted my hair. Babe,
I don't understand how I'm twisting your hair for you.
Yeah, this thing does not want to lose it. Jehovah. Ha! Hey, babe.
What? What you doing?
This was that person saying his super story in the background. So guys, I'm going to do this twist forward just so that I can have a bang if I want, or I can put it to the back if I want.
Stay woken, that's all you go do and pass out. Alarm clock reminder, keep your word. Cause now you bringing out my bad side, bringing out my patience or Zoko, yeah. No come around, no show your face. You've been talking plenty, but you have nothing to say.
So these are the twists I did. Like, this twist have been on my head for like 2 weeks now. So I'm just going to unravel the twists carefully. And you can just see how bouncy the hair is. I'm such a fine girl. Ah! Now who born this fine girl? Mr. and Mrs. Now who born this fine girl? So what you want to do is take your curls and then split it from the top to the bottom, like just carefully. And sometimes they even start splitting for you, like, but you just want to do that carefully and gently for them.
Talking plenty, but you have nothing to say. Issues for discussion, not for the.
I believe like this twist and all that, they work on hair that is stronger. My hair is really soft, which is a blessing but can also be a curse sometimes, because by the time you do this kind of things, it's nice, but then it will only last for like one day. The next day is like shrinking and getting back to size. I mean, it will last for a week if I like, you know, try my hardest to like keep it in. But you know, if your hair is like naturally strong, honestly, thank God, because things like this work better for you guys. And when I'm doing my twist, I purposely make the front smaller because, you know, I want the front curls to be more pronounced, so that when I'm splitting it, it just, you know, keeps the curl pattern. And I just love to have bangs because I just feel like, you know, they kind of make you look cute. And then I just fluff up my hair from the root. So I pick up the roots a little. You can use a comb for that, but I don't want to use a comb. I just pick up the roots a little to give it some volume. Find the ones that are not split and split them up. Of course, we gotta slay our edges. So I'm taking my Gorilla Snot, my Gorilla Snot. That real, guys, I have like I have everything. I have Gorilla Snot, I have Got to Be, I have Eco Styler, but I just feel like all of them serve like different purposes. Like the Got to Be I mainly use for my wigs and all of that. And as you can see, I keep splitting if I find like anyone is looking super chunky. I've been wearing a braided wig to work now for like 3 weeks. Now I'm just gonna show up like this. People are gonna be like, huh? And then if I show up on Tuesday with the wig, or if I show up next week with the wig, they're gonna be like, what's going on? So this is the finished look of the hair. This is usually what I do like on the first day of my twist out. I just leave it out, just, you know, cause it's cute. Why do we need to pack it up? But I'll show you guys other styles you can do with a twist out. Honestly, like this is literally the most convenient thing ever. But I just put it down. I put a bobby pin here, just, you know, so a little of my edges can be showed off. And I went ahead and I trimmed like just the little pieces that were sticking out. I just cut it. But this is the hair. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know down in the comment section if you like this tutorial and what you usually do with your natural hair. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button and make sure you click the bell so you can be notified every single time I drop something. Yeah, like every single time. Like when I drop something, you will be one of the first people to know. So you can be one of the first people to watch it. So click the bell notification, click the subscribe button, and then click the bell notification. And please like this video. Please share it on Facebook. How you can do that is you can just click that share, and then it will take you to like Facebook, Twitter, or wherever you want to share it, and it's gonna direct you onto the social media platform. But yeah, share this video, please like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And please follow me on Instagram at makeupdr.a. I will leave it down somewhere or up somewhere, but makeupdr.a on Instagram.